Hello friends, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn for Studies. Today in this video, we will discuss about district of Andhra Pradesh. There are 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh. They are 1 Srikakulam, 2 Vizianagaram, 3 Visakhapatnam, 4 East Godavari, 5 West Godavari, 6 Krishna, 7 Gunturu, 8 Prakasam, 9 PSR Nelluru, 10 Chitturu, 11 YSR Kadapa, 12 Kurnool, 13 Anantapuram. Now we see these 13 districts are divided into two regions. One is coastal district, the other one is the Rayalaseema district. Coastal region and the Rayalaseema region. See here, from Srikakulam to Nelluru, these 9 districts are called as coastal districts, whereas Chitturu, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapuram are called as Rayalaseema districts. So the 13 are divided into 9 coastal districts, 4 Rayalaseema districts or regions. Now we see boundary of Andhra Pradesh. Bay of Bengal lies east of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka in the west, Telangana in north, Chhattisgarh and Odisha in northeast, Tamil Nadu in the south of Andhra Pradesh. Now we see the location of Andhra Pradesh in India map. Now we see all the district maps one after the other. First, Srikakulam district map. Srikakulam district. Second, Vizianagaram district. Vizianagaram map. Third, Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam district map. Fourth, East Godavari map. Fifth, West Godavari map. Sixth, Krishna map. Krishna district. Seventh, Gunturu district map. Gunturu district. 8, Prakasam district map. 9, PSR Nellore district map. 10, Chittoor district map. 11, YSR Kadapa district map. 12, Kurnool district map. And 13, Anantapur district map. Now we see districts at a glance. Districts at a glance. So Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, you can see it's blinking. Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Gunturu, Prakasam, Nelluru, Chitturu, Kadapa, Kurnool and Anantapuram. These are the 13 districts of Andhra Pradesh. Now by clicking on the district, we will find about its glance in detail. At Srikakulam. Srikakulam headquarters Srikakulam. It have area of 5,837 square kilometers, divided into 3 revenue divisions and 38 mandals. They have 1,865 villages, 3 municipalities and 1 municipal corporation. Second, Vizianagaram. Its headquarters is located at Vizianagaram. Area of 6,539 square kilometers, divided into 2 revenue divisions, 34 mandals. It have 1582 villages and 4 municipalities. Now Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam headquarters is Visakhapatnam. Area for 11,161 square kilometers. Divided into 4 revenue divisions, 46 mandals, 3,035 villages, and have 2 municipalities plus 1 municipal corporation. Now East Godavari. Its headquarters located at Kakinada. Area for 12,805 square kilometers. Divided into 7 revenue divisions, 64 mandals. It have 1,681 villages, 7 municipalities, and 2 municipal corporations. Now West Godavari. Its headquarters located at Eluru. Area of 7,742 square kilometers. Divided into 5 revenue divisions and 48 mandals. It have 881 revenue villages, 6 municipalities, and 2 municipal corporations. Now we see Kristan district. Its headquarters located at Machilipatnam. Area of 8,727 square kilometers. Divided into 4 revenue divisions and 53 mandals. It have 1,005 villages, 10 municipalities, and 2 municipal corporations. Now Guntur district. Guntur headquarters located at Gunturu. Area of 11,391 square kilometers. It divided into 4 revenue divisions and 57 mandals. They have 727 villages, 14 municipalities, and 1 municipal corporation. Now Prakasam district. Headquarters located at Ongal. The area is 17,626 square kilometers. Divided into 3 revenue divisions, 56 mandals. They have 1,081 villages, 3 municipalities plus 1 municipal corporation. Now PSR Nellore district. It headquarters located in Nellore. Area of 13,776 square kilometers. Divided into 5 revenue divisions, 47 mandals, 1,201 villages, 7 municipalities, and it have 1 municipal corporation. Next, Chitturu. Chitturu district headquarters is Chitturu. Its area is 15,152 square kilometers. Divided into 3 revenue divisions and 66 mandals. They have 1,540 villages, 8 municipalities, and 2 municipal corporations. Now we go for YSR Kadapa district. YSR Kadapa district headquarters is located at Kadapa. Its area is 15,359 square kilometers. Divided into 3 revenue divisions and 51 mandals, 983 villages. It has 7 municipalities and 1 municipal corporation. Now we discuss about Kurnool district. Kurnool district headquarters located at Kurnool. Its area is 17,658 square kilometers. Divided into 3 revenue divisions and 54 mandals. Have 921 villages, 9 municipalities, and 1 municipal corporation. In the last, Anandapuram. Headquarters located at Anandapuram. Its area is 19,130 square kilometers. Have 5 revenue divisions and 63 mandals, 963 villages, 12 municipalities, and 1 municipal corporations. So we came to know about its area, number of revenue divisions, number of mandals, number of villages, and number of municipal corporations, etc. Out of these 13 districts, only few districts have its headquarters in other part of the district. Example, East Godavari name there, where its headquarters is Kakinada. West Godavari headquarters is Eluru. Krishna's headquarters is Machilipatnam. Prakasam headquarters is Ongal. Where remaining all district headquarters are located in the city or town itself. Srikakulam city, Vizianagaram city, Visakhapatnam city, Guntur city, Nellore city, Chitturu, Kadapa, Kurnool, Ananthapuram. These are the district headquarters with the districts. Next, we see Andhra Pradesh from 2nd June 2014 onwards. Plot area is 1,60,205 square kilometers. Its population is 49.67 million according to 2001 census. There are 13 districts. Out of 13, 9 districts are called coastal districts, whereas the remaining 4 are called as the Rayalaseema districts. Largest district in area is Ananthapuram. Smallest district in area is Srikakulam. Most populous district is East Godavari, whereas the least populous district is Vizianagaram. There are 51 revenue divisions in AP and 676 mandals. Total of 28,123 revenue villages and 92 municipalities plus 16 municipal corporates have. This is all about its brief fact of Andhra Pradesh. I hope you liked the video. Please share it, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.